Hi guys, it's Arielle Fox and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be looking at skinny coffee. You might have seen skinny coffee all over Instagram, all over your Facebook, but does it actually work? I have previously used one of their other products before, but I found it really upset my stomach, so I had to take a break from it. After seeing it promoted so many times, it sold me a second time. So I'm going to try it again this time round, hopefully get all the way through and have really successful results that I can share with you all.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is...
Today my product has come, and it's come in this cute little wrapping inside here. These are the cute little packages they come in. I've bought two. The reason for buying two was because they were on offer. It actually worked out cheaper to buy two than to buy one. If you check on their website, they quite regularly have offers on. They have a spin the wheel. All you have to do is put in your email address and you get a free spin. And then off the back of that, you can get some really exciting deals. And this is how I got the deal for these. These worked out as around £19 for the two. And I think they're usually around £25 for the both. If this is incorrect, I'll just pop this below. I'll get all the pricing. I can't remember exactly how much they were because I got them in the offer, but I will double check that for you and post that below. Inside my coffee I also got one of these. This appears to be a workout and a meal plan. The only thing I'll say about this is it doesn't seem to be vegetarian friendly. There's a lot of meat options and doesn't seem to be many vegetarian alternatives, which is a bit of a shame. You can see how you can easily swap out some of these things for the veggie options, so I'm going to try and do that as much as possible, but what I'll probably end up doing is creating my own plan with my own meals on, but actually sticking to hitting the sessions on the gym. I'm going to keep that up and keep exactly the same process as what I'm doing now, and just back it up with this so I can actually monitor what is actually making the difference and what is not, rather than following this religiously and maybe this is so insane that you'd lose weight anyway. I want to actually test the coffee by itself as much as possible. I will actually be measuring myself on video for this just to prove that it's working. I'll do a measurement before and I'll do a measurement after. This is my waist before using the product. I have one of those clever tape measures. I just got this lace, so I'm going to do it with this and tie a knot in it and then measure it on a ruler. Just in case if not, I'm going to pop out and get a tape measure tomorrow, and I'll also attach the measurements below if they're different. So my waist works out now at about 25 inches. I'm just going to get the measurement from around my stomach and my hips. Just measured around my stomach area where I get the most bloating, and that's 27 inches. So I will note those down, hopefully come back with a new result for you now. I'm back from my 28-day trial of skinny coffee, and it's completely gone. It lasted me the full 28 days. I did check in on it every day and check in on my calendar just to make sure that the whole product managed to drag out. Before I do measurements and let you know whether it's worked or not, I'm just going to tell you about my experience along the way. The first couple of days of taking it, I was just taking it in the morning as advised, but I was feeling like it was making my tummy feel a bit funny, so straight out swapped it to just taking it sort of like mid-afternoon to afternoon time instead. As soon as I did that, I didn't get any more stomach pains or anything, so I presume that that's what works best for me. I recommend having one in the morning, but if you're having trouble like me with having one in the morning and find that it's just making your tummy feel a bit weird, I recommend also to just try it in the afternoon instead and see if you get a better result. Throughout the course of taking it, I felt more energized, more upbeat, and I did notice a healthy glow in my skin, which is things it all claims to do. Even after just taking it for a couple of days, I already noticed that I felt way less bloated, way more comfortable, and just my jeans would fit me better and I'd feel more comfortable and relaxed throughout the day. So I really feel like it has actually worked in terms of a feeling. I don't know if it's actually made me physically thinner, but I do feel overall more flat on my stomach area. So I feel like it's done something, but let's actually put it to the test and do the measurements. I'll actually see real measurements today and exactly how I've changed instead of using a little bit of lace. Let's just do those measurements and see how it's actually worked. So this is what my stomach is looking like now. Here's what it looks like from the side. I actually think it does look slightly smaller than before, but I'm still a little bit bloated here, if you can see. I did have toast for breakfast, which probably wasn't a good idea. Now for the big test, let's actually measure it. Coming out as 25 inches, and then round where my stomach's slightly bigger. This one is coming out at 27.5. I've just finished measuring up and it's come out as 25 inches on my waist and then 27.5 on like my more bloated area. So in terms of feedback for this product, I'm going to give it a big thumbs up. I really enjoyed taking it. I really liked the chocolatey taste. It was really yummy. I also really enjoyed all the positive side effects. It made me feel more energized. Clearly aided somehow in my weight loss as well, because I've obviously shed some weight off my stomach area. You remember from earlier in my video, I also have another packet of it, which I will be doing this month. I've actually chopped into it this morning and had one of them this morning because I ran out last night. I'm really looking forward to doing my second round of it and seeing if I get further results, and pretty much just because I really like the taste and I really enjoy drinking it. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos like this in the future and reviewing more products like this. Literally, if you have any questions about this product or how it works, feel free to drop me a comment below. If it's something that you don't want to share below and you just want to message me more personally, then feel free to hit me up on my Instagram. I will get back to you and let you know. Thanks again for watching my video, and I really hope to see you next week. Goodbye!